Instead of giving candies or chocolates for trick or treat, let's make some cute, funny, not so scary witch cupcakes, and this is going to be fun activity with your kids. Preheat the oven first to 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to use the bottom heating element. Let's start with the sugar cones. I'm going to dip it in the melted chocolate. This is compound chocolate. You don't have to temper it. It's going to set on its own. So you just want to coat the hat with the melted chocolate. And then transfer it to a tray with parchment paper. Alright. It's okay to be messy. You know, that's the most fun about doing this with your kids. Okay. So I have 11 sugar cones and I have one more. We're going to make 12 witch cupcakes. Keep this in the fridge until ready to use. Next is the cupcake batter. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Add the flour into the bowl, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and baking powder. Mix everything together until well combined. Let's add the wet ingredients. Make sure the wet ingredients are warm temperature before adding it. Add the milk, egg, oil, and vanilla extract. Mix it. Add the hot water to thin out our cupcake batter, and adding hot water will make our cupcakes moist. And mix it slowly just until well combined. Don't over mix your cupcake batter or else you're gonna end up having a dense cupcake. Okay. Fill the cupcake pan with cupcake liners. Fill half the cupcake liners with the batter. So I made 12 cupcakes. We're going to bake this in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Place the cupcake pan in the middle of the oven. Our cupcakes are ready. Let it cool for 30 minutes before frosting it. Let's make the buttercream frosting using Kenwood hand mixer. I like using hand mixer for a small batch of recipe, and this is a good equipment for beginning bakers. I have butter here. I'm going to add the powdered sugar, vanilla extract. Now you mix first the powdered sugar well with the butter. before turning on the machine, or else it will splash all over the kitchen. Okay, turn on to medium speed and beat it until light and fluffy. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, our buttercream frosting is already light and fluffy. I'm just gonna remove the excess frosting from the attachment. I'm going to divide my frosting into two. For the first frosting, I'm going to color it with color green. And mix it. Okay, just continue mixing it until the color is even. Okay. Color green is perfect. For the second frosting, I'm going to add cocoa powder and black coloring. So for you to achieve the black color of the frosting, you should add cocoa powder. And mix it. Okay, we're going to transfer the black frosting to a piping bag, and we're going to use a piping tip that has small holes. Then you bring it down at the tip of the piping bag. Okay. I'm going to chill this in the fridge first for 5 minutes. Let's start decorating our rich cupcakes. Let's start with the green frosting. And we're going to form a dome shape. And now for the black frosting. Okay, going to make the hair of our witch. Okay, so cute. Now we're going to put the eyes, nose, and the mouth. So you can play with the colors. So for the eyes, I'm going to put the M&Ms. And for the nose, I'm going to put the Sunburst chocolate. You can find it in any candy store. And for the mouth, this is chocolate as well. So for the decorations, let your kids have fun with it. Okay, now time to put the witch hat. So cute. Here's our cute and funny witch cupcakes. And I'm sure you're gonna have fun making this with your kids. Happy Halloween!